When someone leaves or becomes involved with someone else, the first instinct is often to chase, explain, or fight for their attention. But the truth is that desperation rarely creates attraction. The more you run after someone who has emotionally stepped away, the more you communicate that your happiness depends on their decision. Real confidence begins when you stop trying to convince someone to see your worth and start living as though you already know it. When someone walks away or chooses to be with someone else, the natural reaction is often to panic. You may feel an overwhelming urge to send another message, ask for another conversation, or prove that you're still the better choice. Those emotions are understandable, but acting on them usually creates the opposite effect. When your entire focus shifts toward convincing someone to stay, you unknowingly place your own value in their hands. Confidence begins the moment you stop seeking approval from someone who is uncertain about you and start recognizing the value you already possess. The strongest people understand that love should never require constant persuasion. If someone truly wants to be part of your life, they will make room for you without endless chasing. Instead of spending your energy wondering where they are, who they're with, or why they haven't called, redirect that energy toward becoming a stronger, healthier, and more fulfilled version of yourself. Read books that expand your thinking, exercise to improve your health, pursue goals that excite you, and spend time with people who genuinely appreciate your presence. Every positive decision you make rebuilds your confidence from the inside out. Self-respect is incredibly attractive because it communicates emotional stability. When you remain calm, maintain your dignity, and refuse to beg for attention, you show that your happiness isn't controlled by another person's choices. That doesn't mean pretending you don't care or hiding your emotions. It means refusing to let heartbreak define your identity or determine your future. Real strength is found in accepting what you cannot control while fully investing in what you can control. Your attitude, your actions, and your personal growth. People often notice genuine transformation long after emotional reactions have faded. When they see someone who has become happier, more confident, and more focused, it leaves a lasting impression because authentic growth cannot be faked. Whether someone eventually reaches out or continues on their own path, the greatest reward is becoming the kind of person who no longer depends on another person's attention to feel valuable, confident, and complete. Time has a unique way of changing perspective. When people are constantly surrounded by someone who loves, supports, and cares for them, they sometimes fail to recognize the true value of that relationship. Familiarity can make kindness seem ordinary. Loyalty can become expected, and genuine effort can go unnoticed. It isn't always because someone is cruel or intentionally ungrateful. Sometimes people only understand the importance of what they had after they no longer have access to it. Distance creates space for reflection, and reflection often reveals what emotions once ignored. This is why your response to heartbreak matters so much. If your life becomes centered around convincing someone to return, you remain emotionally attached to a situation you cannot control. But when you step back with dignity and continue building your own future, you allow life to move naturally instead of forcing outcomes. That space gives both people an opportunity to gain clarity. While you're growing stronger, learning new skills, pursuing your goals, and rebuilding your confidence, the other person may begin comparing the peace, loyalty, and connection they once experienced with the reality of what they have now. However, this should never become a game of making someone jealous or manipulating their emotions. Real growth isn't performed for an audience. It happens because you decide your life deserves happiness regardless of who stays or leaves. Ironically, that authentic transformation is often what people notice the most. They see someone who didn't fall apart, someone who refused bitterness, and someone who turned pain into purpose instead of resentment. If they eventually realize your value, let that realization be entirely their own. You don't need to remind them of everything you did or everything they lost. Genuine regret cannot be argued into existence. It develops through experience and honest reflection. Your responsibility is not to control another person's emotions, but to protect your own peace and continue becoming the best version of yourself. Whether they return with sincere intentions or never look back, the greatest achievement is knowing you refuse to let someone else's decision stop you from creating a meaningful, confident, and fulfilling life. One of the biggest mistakes people make after a breakup is believing they have to compete with the new person in their former partner's life. They compare appearances, careers, personalities, or lifestyles, hoping to discover why someone else was chosen. That comparison quickly becomes an emotional trap because it shifts your focus away from your own growth and places your self-worth in a competition that should never exist. Love is not a contest where the best person always wins. Every relationship is different, and every person's choices are influenced by circumstances that have little to do with your value. The moment you start comparing yourself to someone else, you begin ignoring everything that makes you unique. Your kindness, your loyalty, your resilience, your dreams, and your character cannot be measured against another person. Trying to become someone you're not just to gain another person's attention only leads to frustration and disappointment. Real confidence comes from accepting who you are while continuously improving yourself, not from trying to imitate someone else. Instead of wondering what the other person has that you don't, ask yourself what kind of life you want to build. Focus on developing your confidence, expanding your knowledge, strengthening your health, and creating a future that excites you. Every hour spent improving yourself is an investment that benefits you for years to come. Every hour spent comparing yourself to someone else only steals your peace and slows your progress. If someone eventually returns, let it be because they genuinely recognize your value, not because you tried to outshine another person. Healthy relationships are built on mutual respect, trust, and choice, not on rivalry or proving that you're better than someone else. You should never have to fight for a place in someone's heart by tearing another person down or sacrificing your own dignity. Your greatest strength is not becoming the person they left you for. Your greatest strength is becoming the best version of yourself. When you stop competing and start growing, you reclaim your confidence, protect your self-respect, and create a life that no longer depends on someone else's decision. Whether they come back or not, you will have gained something far more valuable, a deep understanding that your worth was never determined by who someone else decided to choose. One of the hardest things to accept after someone leaves is that life must continue, even when your heart wants to stand still. Many people make the mistake of putting everything on hold. They delay their dreams, avoid new opportunities, constantly check their phone, and spend hours wondering what the other person is doing. Without realizing it, they allow one relationship to control every part of their future. But every day spent waiting is a day that can never be recovered. The most powerful response to heartbreak is not standing still. It is moving forward with purpose. Growth has a way of changing everything. When you begin investing in yourself, your mindset shifts from loss to possibility. You stop measuring your happiness by whether someone texts you back and start measuring it by the progress you're making. Learn a new skill that challenges your mind. Work toward a promotion or start a business you've always dreamed about. Improve your physical health through regular exercise and healthy habits. Travel, read books, meet new people, and create experiences that remind you how much life has to offer beyond one relationship. Every achievement builds confidence that no one can take away. As you continue growing, something remarkable happens. You begin to realize that the person you were waiting for is no longer the center of your world. Your confidence no longer depends on their attention because you've created a life filled with purpose, discipline, and personal fulfillment. That inner transformation is visible to everyone around you. People are naturally drawn to those who carry themselves with confidence, emotional maturity, and genuine happiness. Sometimes the person who walked away notices these changes and begins to see you differently. They may recognize the strength, independence, and peace they overlooked before. If that happens, let it be a byproduct of your personal growth rather than the reason you started growing. Your success should never depend on making someone regret their decision. It should come from your desire to become the best version of yourself. The greatest reward isn't proving someone wrong or making them come back. It's waking up one day and realizing that your future is no longer limited by your past. By choosing growth over waiting, you reclaim your time, your confidence, and your direction, creating a life that continues to move forward, regardless of who decides to walk beside you. Sometimes people do come back. They may realize they made a mistake, discover that the relationship they chose wasn't what they expected, or simply recognize the value they once overlooked. When that moment happens, it's easy to let emotions take over. Memories return, old feelings resurface, and the hope of rebuilding what was lost can become incredibly strong. But this is where wisdom becomes more important than emotion. A person's return should never automatically earn them another place in your life. It should earn them the opportunity to prove through consistent actions that they have truly changed. Words are easy to say when someone feels lonely, guilty, or disappointed with the choices they've made. Promises cost nothing. Anyone can apologize, say they miss you, or claim they've changed. The real question is whether their daily behavior reflects those words. Do they communicate honestly? Do they respect your boundaries? Are they willing to accept responsibility without making excuses? Have they demonstrated emotional maturity? Or are they simply trying to return because things didn't work out elsewhere? These are the questions that protect your heart from repeating the same painful cycle. Never confuse someone's desire to come back with their willingness to become a better partner. Those are two very different things. Missing you doesn't necessarily mean they've grown. Regretting a decision doesn't automatically mean they're prepared to build a healthier relationship. Genuine change takes time, accountability, and consistent effort. It is revealed through patience, reliability, honesty, and respect, not through emotional speeches or temporary displays of affection. Remember how much you've grown during the time apart. You invested in yourself, rebuilt your confidence, and learned valuable lessons about self-respect. Don't abandon that progress simply because someone reappears. The version of you who worked so hard to heal deserves relationships built on trust, consistency, and mutual commitment. You no longer need to accept uncertainty just because someone finally realizes your worth. If you choose to give someone another chance, let that decision come from strength rather than fear of being alone. Let it be based on who they are today, not who they used to be or who you hope they'll become. A healthy relationship isn't restored by nostalgia alone. It is rebuilt through honesty, mutual effort, and a shared commitment to creating something stronger than what existed before. The greatest victory after heartbreak is not hearing that they miss you, seeing them return, or watching them regret the decision they made. The greatest victory is becoming someone who no longer depends on another person's choice to feel complete. There comes a moment in every healing journey when you realize that your happiness, confidence, and peace were never meant to rest in someone else's hands. That realization changes everything. You stop living in fear of rejection because you understand that your value has never been determined by who stayed or who walked away. Many people spend years trying to become good enough for someone else. They change their personality, ignore their own needs, tolerate disrespect, and sacrifice their self-worth in hopes of being chosen. But the strongest people understand that real love doesn't require abandoning yourself. A healthy relationship is built when two emotionally secure people choose each other freely. not when one person constantly struggles to earn the affection of the other. As you continue growing, your mindset begins to shift. Instead of asking, will they come back? You start asking, does this relationship truly align with the life I want to build? That single question puts the power back where it belongs, with you. You are no longer waiting for someone else to decide your future. You become the one making thoughtful, confident decisions based on respect, trust, and emotional maturity. Ironically, this level of confidence is often what makes people notice you in a completely different way. When you no longer chase, beg, or seek validation, you radiate a quiet strength that cannot be faked. Whether it's an old partner, a new relationship, or even the people around you, they recognize someone who has learned to stand firmly on their own. Confidence rooted in self-respect is far more attractive than confidence built on attention from others. If someone returns after you've grown, you'll be in a position to choose rather than simply accept. You'll evaluate their actions, their consistency, and their intentions with a clear mind instead of an emotional impulse. And if they never return, your life will continue moving forward because your purpose has become much bigger than one relationship. In the end, the true success story is not that someone came back. It is that you discovered your own strength. You became wiser, more resilient, and more emotionally secure than you ever thought possible. When you reach that point, you no longer fear being left behind because you've learned that the one person you can always rely on is yourself. And that confidence becomes the foundation for every healthy relationship and every meaningful opportunity that follows.